Hello, my name is Wendy Paola Merchan. My last trip was to the city of Bogota. Did you spend much money for your last trip? What is a fair amount? I spent a lot of money because I don't know. I had to take a taxi to go to a different place. In addition, the hotel stay is a bit expensive. The amount of money we spent was quite a lot, but as first signs, we I did different activities and visit many places. Did you go cheat seeking on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? I did tourism and the most interesting place was the Salitre Mágico and Mundo Aventura. There I shared pleasant moments with my doctor and that made me happy. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most visited places are the parks of their attractions, the restaurants for their gastronomic variety, and also the Hill of Montserrat. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive place was a restaurant on the outskirts of Bogota. The food is very good, but the prices are very high. What are the worst things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention two. The worst things of my trip was that the tire of the car was punctured and the light as a bit. And well it was cold and something it rained and our plans were damaged. Thank you very much.